Hello everyone, kumusta po kayo? I hope that you're all doing good.
This time in this video, I would like to answer another question. This is in connection with my previous video regarding Balikbayan Visa, wherein I mentioned that Balikbayans can fly anytime to the Philippines and there is no need for a Balikbayan Visa. The question is, Balikbayans are given Balikbayan Visa on their arrival at the NAIA in the Philippines. Do you mean to say that this visa will not be available anymore? Obviously, this question confuses the stamp impressed by the immigration officer on the passport upon the Balikbayan's arrival at the Philippine port of entry as a visa. There is therefore a need for us now to clarify what a visa is. A visa is an official document usually stamped or glued inside a passport, giving permission from a foreign authority for you to enter a country. A visa is an endorsement placed within a passport that grants the holder official permission to enter, live, or stay in a country for a specified time period. In the Philippines, under the Philippine Immigration Law of 1940, there are two main types of visas. The Section 9 visas, which pertain to the non-immigrant visas, such as the temporary resident or tourist visa, and the Section 13 visas, which pertain to the immigrant visas, such as the spousal visa. There are, however, special visas that are issued for particular purposes, such as the Special Resident Retirees Visa. There is a claim now that Balikbayans are given the Balikbayan Visa on their arrival in the Philippines. Yes, it is true that the Philippines issues visa upon arrival, such as the Single Entry Visa upon arrival or SEVOA, but this type of visa is usually issued to foreign investors and businessmen duly endorsed by the Board of Investments, the Philippine Retirement Authority, the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, local business councils, or local as well as foreign chambers of commerce and industry. It can also be issued to athletes and delegates to sports competitions, as well as to the delegates and participants to and resource speakers in international conventions and conferences. But the Bureau of Immigration does not issue visa upon arrival to Balikbayans, precisely because Balikbayans are entitled to a visa-free entry. In other words, no visa is required at all. What is required is proof of former Philippine citizenship. To be sure, let us refer to the express provision of RA 9174, the law on the Balikbayan Program. Section 3 thereof provides that the Balikbayan and his or her family shall be entitled to the visa-free entry to the Philippines for a period of 1 year for foreign passport holders, with the exception of restricted nationals. What is meant by a visa-free entry? Visa-free entry enables passport holders to enter a country without the need to obtain a visa before or upon arrival. That said, they must still pass through an immigration control facility where their passports are checked for validity and may also be stamped. In the case of Balikbayans, there is an added requirement of proof of their former Philippine citizenship in the form of their old Philippine passport, Philippine birth certificate, or certificate of naturalization, which indicates that the arriving passenger is a former Filipino citizen. Similar principle applies to foreign citizens from EO 408 countries, wherein they are allowed entry to the Philippines also visa-free. That means no visa is required. In that regard, all that they need to present to the immigration officer is their foreign passport and usually their return ticket or forward ticket. Just a note, per IATF guidelines, Balikbayans are no longer required to present a return ticket. Of course, you still need to abide by the travel policies in place, such as the required registration with e-travel. I hope that I have sufficiently clarified this matter.
Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Always remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. I will see you in my next video. Ingat po kayo.